This is. Right, so the next thing to do is around the kitchen window and sink. And we've got these fantastic 3D tiles. We see lots of people using them. I've seen them before in the past in places as well, and you just can't tell the difference. So that's the next thing, and we're even going to think about doing these in the bathroom as well. Right, the first couple are on. Oh, love. First couple are on. Ooh, do you approve?
Looks nice.
Thank you very much. You don't see those air bubbles in? I'll keep quiet about it. Oh, there's a pain in the backside. Now I've got them out, so it looks fine. Well, that looks much better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Don't ever let anybody tell you these tiles, including the videos that you see on Amazon and eBay, are bloody easy. But they're not. Well, they probably are when you're going across a straight, big, flat wall. But when you're going around motorhome windows and plugs and corners and up through cabinets, they're not. But, wow, what a difference. That's amazing. Really pleased with that.